Hey, what's up? It's me again. And to be honest, I tried to do a standing video today, but that hasn't worked that well, and this position is really hurting my arm. So, yeah. So, I guess I'm gonna have to do this. You're gonna have to see the screen in shot. It's just the easiest thing for me to do, so, let's play that there is. Yeah, so, today, I don't know what's been going on with me. I really just don't know how I feel. I'm right now, to be honest, I'm completely chilled out. Like, I don't give, excuse my language here, I don't give a shit about anything. Right now, I'm just drinking a Coca-Cola. That's an advertisement, but, like I said, I don't give a shit about copyright, so, yeah, I'm just drinking a Coca-Cola, just sitting here, so, watch a couple videos on YouTube. Doesn't get better than that, does it? Whatever. So, yeah. I don't know why I made this. To be honest, I don't know why I make any of my videos. Probably just because I'm bored or something. Who cares? People watch them. I get more views. Whatever. See you guys later.